this video we're going to unbox the Aoshima 1/32 scale motorised Initial-D AE86 Trueno. So having a look at the box, we've got some pretty cool artwork. This is a no glue snap kit. You can see there you can add the 130 motor and AA batteries to make it fully motorised and self-driving. So opening up the box, it's a side open, not the regular shoebox type. We've got the body, then we've got a big bag with all our other parts in. Open up the first bag, we have the body and a blacked out window shell. The camera makes it look completely black, but it is see-through, just very tinted. Then taking a closer look at the body, some nice panel lining detail. Rear lights all moulded into the body shell. Nice front grille. Now opening up the big bag with all the other parts in. We have the main chassis on its own sprue. You can see the section there for the on and off switch and the steering lock and the battery tray. And we've got our headlight covers. We have our Watanabe wheels. Quite nice wheels. We have very simple slick type tyres on their own rubber sprue. Not a massive fan of that. Then we have, that's our motor tray and the relevant parts. Gearing cover, axle stubs. Then we have another little bag inside. We've got our gearing and relevant spacers. We have our contact traces for the battery. A little sachet of grease, and then we've got some decals with the single door sticker for the tofu shop. Then we've got our instruction sheet, fairly simple as it's not a particularly difficult kit. Shows you there which motor to put in. It says 130, but over here in the UK it's much easier to get a hold of a 110. And showing you how to put the gearing in and attach the drive shaft, and then your batteries and headlight covers. Fairly straightforward stuff. A little parts list on the back. Well, there you go, that's a quick unboxing. I haven't got any plans to build this anytime soon. I more bought this as part of a collection as I want to get the whole set. So I'll see you in the next one.